Good afternoon, Gary. It's Todd at Tom Bush Mini. Here is our 2025 Ocean Wave Green Mini Cooper S convertible, fully loaded with the favored trim and the iconic trim level. As you can see, it does have the surround view camera, has the upgrade slide spoke alloy wheels, an 18-inch. You can take a look inside with the full Vescin interior, dual power seats, heated seats, heated steering wheel, basically every option that you can get on this Mini. Again, looking inside, I am going to lower the top here momentarily. Again, good look in here. Go ahead and pull back. I'm also going to just show you the window sticker, even though I'm emailing it to you. Let's go ahead and give you an idea of the walkthrough on that. Again, with every option that you have available, let's walk around the back area, or the boot area as they call it in Mini. And open up the deck lid here. There's your inside stowage. This is a wind deflector here. You also have your air pump and fix-a-flat. So there's no limited service spare on this one anymore. Or I'm sorry, no run flats. Golly Pete, limited service spare was available many years ago, but anyhow, let's go ahead and take a look inside. I love how the vibrant silver trims both outside and in, all little touches, collar around the steering wheel, the Mini logo. Here's your head-up display. It's going to be hard to see that, but that will adjust exactly to the height. You have dual position memory seats, lumbar adjustment, and the driver's seat also has a massaging function. And again, the camera system, just to show you real quick on that. You can tap here to open that up. There are your cameras with all the different functions. And of course, when the door, or actually the vehicle's turned off, you can see the doors open. Basically showing if you're going to hit the vehicle next to you. I say turned off, it's on with the air on, but nonetheless, you get the idea when you're parked. Okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead and retract back the sunroof mode so you can see how that looks from outside. Retracts back to about 19 inches. You get an idea of the opening there, so on days you do not want to have the top fully lowered. Very cool. You can actually lower all four windows by pressing this button here. So we'll go ahead and do that to show you that open airiness of the cockpit without having to have the top lowered all the way. But we want to see that, so let's go ahead and lower the top fully. Just press that button up until we hear the chime. There it is. So now here's a good look at the inside. Now what's nice about the power seat, you pull up here and it's going to power forward so you can gain easier entry to the rear seat area. This is the beige Vescin interior. To me, it's the perfect complement to this specific color option. Go ahead and pull back again so you can see the full view, the top lowered. And we just do another walk around. All of these paints have kind of a pearlescent hue to them, which you probably are picking up a little bit of gold in this Ocean Wave Green. Again, you look at the interior. Camera's still on there at this point. And a good look at the back seat area as well. Of course, these seats will fold down 50-50. You do have a wind deflector where you can see the holes here. They're behind, or back here as well, where you can have that to prevent anyway, blustery cabin as you're driving along doing, let's say, speed limit. Anyhow, all right, so this is our option number one. I will have option number two momentarily. But thank you so much again for reaching out, Gary. Any questions, please let me know.